guys, it's me Tata, and today I will show you how to make a scarf on the head in this summer. This is a very fashionable trend this year. We take a scarf in the usual way and tighten as much as possible. Twist the scarf. This image is suitable so that your hair does not burn out in the summer. Now I am showing you the easiest way to tie a scarf. Such an image we have turned out. Write in the comments which of these images liked the most, and whether you liked to wear scarves on the head. Bye!